Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how can I see my old stories on Facebook. We start by entering our Facebook profile. Then, click on the 3 profile settings points. After that, we will click on Activity Log. Next, click on the Archive option and then click on Story Archive. Finally, we can see our old Facebook stories. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.